Hi everyone, today I'm sharing with you how to make these lovely mini muffins, perfect for kiddos, and with the same batter we're making half triple berry and half chocolate chip. Such a fun little treat for this cozy season. Let me show you how you make them. I'm starting with 1 egg, then I'll add a pinch of salt, 1 pouch of applesauce. The one I'm using right now has cinnamon flavor, which adds the best holiday touch. Then I'm adding 1 tablespoon of Greek yogurt, half a cup of avocado oil, and half a cup of any healthy sugar of your choice. Here I'm using monk fruit, some vanilla, baking powder, and baking soda, and 1 cup of whole wheat flour. Once that's done, we're going to divide the batter into 2. For the first half, I'll be adding the triple berries, which are raspberries, blueberries, and blackberries, and I toss them in a bit of flour so they don't sink to the bottom. Mix that in and fold gently. And for the other half, I'm adding some dark mini chocolate chips. Now transfer everything into your lined mini muffin baking trays with parchment cups and bake at 350 for 20 to 25 minutes. Once that's done, let them cool on a wire rack and enjoy. These come out so soft, cozy, and perfect for this time of year. Great for holiday mornings, after school snacks, and even lunchbox friendly. I hope you give this recipe a try. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.